Hello students, welcome to Standard 4th. Myself Flavia D'Souza and I am going to be your science teacher for this academic year 2021-22. Before I start a portion, I would like to discuss some points. All of you know that every new class is a continuation of the previous one. This year, again you will be studying the same topics and terms in a more detailed and expanded version. So, in the new class, you will be required to recall the stuff that you learned last year so that your mind gets ready. It is quite likely that you won't remember everything, but a quick refresher will get your mind ready for studying and make the initial weeks easier. For example, the topic solids, liquids and gases, which is introduced at its basic level in class 3 with examples, is again added in class 4 with more expanded form. So, in the first week, we will revise the topics which we have learned in class 3 and then we will start our class 4 portion. Now, some important instructions regarding our online study. Every day I will upload videos of subtopics of particular lesson. On each subtopic, you will get assignment. Do watch your videos regularly and solve your assignments and copy the same with correct answers in your notebook. Those who solve the assignments will be marked present in the attendance register and rest will be marked absent. Once we finish our lesson, I will upload one Google Form test to evaluate your understanding of the lesson. Solve the given test regularly. Notes will be given in the PDF format. Copy the same in your notebook. No videos will be uploaded on the days when Google Form test conducted and notes are provided. This will be pattern of a science subject. You can clear your doubts regarding all subjects on the WhatsApp group which will be functional from 10 am to 10:30 am from Monday to Friday. All subjects teachers are available in this group to clear your doubts. Thank you and best of luck for your new academic year. Stay safe, stay healthy.